like to swim. E is for Indian, which means yes, that's him. Abidy, Malagasy, learn it with me. No CQU or WUC. From A to Z, the letters that we know. Let's sing it loud, let's let it grow. F is for fonja, where the keys are kept. G is for gasy, the people well met. H is for hatoka, touch it in the neck. I is for isika, together we connect. Abidy, Malagasy, learn it with me. No CQ or WUC. From A to Z, the letters that we know. Let's sing it loud, let's let it roll. J is for January, the first month of the year. K is for kambo, no words we fear. L is for lasy, when the campfire glows. M is for easy, which means thank you in prose. Let's let it grow.